This was so good at recognizing resources and tools for faculty to take their passion and their scholarship and use those tools to leverage and change policy and affect change.
Today I had the pleasure and the honor to meet a lot of different people that all do share similar goals, values, and work. And so it's an honor to be able to connect further with those individuals so that we can work together to make our advocacy efforts happen.
I learned that advocacy doesn't have to be something federal and something big. It can actually start really small with a public comment or really just getting familiar with the players that are shaping policy, and that you can start with small steps and start local, and that makes it a lot less intimidating.
The most impactful thing was learning do's and don'ts of lobbying and advocacy from experts in the field.
Through your research and your scholarship and your advocacy, you just can't develop a solution. You also have to develop a policy to bring it home. I thought that was very nicely explained, and I think that's so correct.
It's very much out of my wheelhouse. I know how to take care of kids in the hospital as their medical provider, but how to help them on the outside for global policy is something that's not really in my normal wheelhouse. So learning those skills and be able to utilize my medical knowledge to be able to help children scares me a bit.
One thing for me was just the relationship building and the importance of kind of just being there in person and going and meeting people and finding out what you don't know from the people kind of on the ground, whether it be county or state officials, just kind of showing up and the importance of showing up and building those relationships.
After today, I feel like I have some of the tools now to be able to take my goals for advocacy to the next level. Just by listening to the expert panel talk and engage with my colleagues here, I was able to really kind of think about what I can do right now, even at the local level, within the university, within Baltimore City, and at a larger scale.